Okay, the next one, a function f has an inverse if and only if no horizontal line intersects the graph of f at more than one point. A function is one-to-one when each value of the dependent variable corresponds to exactly one value of the independent variable. A function f has an inverse if and only if it's one-to-one. So this is what it means. So like here's your x, here's your y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's one-to-one if the x's are going to exactly one y. In other words, the y's aren't repeated in this case as well. But there is a horizontal line test that we can use. If you draw a horizontal line and it only touches a graph at one point, then we say that the graph has an inverse. So first, we need to make sure that it's a function. So to determine if it's a function, we actually draw a vertical line test. And the vertical line test here shows that it only crosses in one point. So this is a function and it has an inverse. So for the circle here, first we check for a function. So if I draw a vertical line test, it touches in two places. So this is not a function. If it's not a function, then it's not an inverse, or it's not going to have an inverse. Does not have inverse. And then number 3, if I draw a vertical line test, this is a function. So if it has an inverse, we check with a horizontal line test, and notice that it touches in two places. So that means that it does not have inverse.